Straight from casa, dumiretso po ako dito kasama yung bagong baby ko na si Ash to avail of their PPF. So yung PPF po, meaning niyang paint protection film, it's an added layer of protection and stands as a safeguard para ma-protect yung car from bird poop, stone chips, light scratches, at iba pa. It usually takes about 3 to 5 days, so excited na po ako sa magiging resulta. So Ash, kita kits, see you soon in 3 to 5 days. Glossier at shinier. So guys, ang maganda dito, 15 years po yung lifespan nito. Lakas ng dating, di ba? Parang ako. So ano pa ba hinihintay nyo? Magawa na rin kayo dito sa Shimmer and Shield kasi they do not only offer great quality service, but they're also the one and only ISO certified here in the Philippines. Again, ako po si Dina Wong at ako po ay tatang Shimmer and Shield.